Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about how to decorate with LED floor lamps. If you want to make your place look great and well lit, you are in the right spot. We have got some neat ideas to show your LED floor lamps can brighten up your decor. Let's talk about why LED floor lamps are awesome. They use less energy, last and long times, and can make your space look fantastic. Give your place a modern touch with LED floor lamps. These lamps have cool and sleek design that can light up your room and make it look stylish. Make cozy reading nooks with LED floor lamps. You can adjust their brightness so they are perfect for reading your favorite books. Suppress your room with minimalistic corner lighting. LED floor lamps with clean and simple lines can make your decor look more aesthetic. Set the mood with LED lamps that change colors. You can pick the lighting that match the atmosphere you want. Add some elegance with LED arch lamps. These lamps have graceful shapes and can be a centerpieces in any room. Combine lighting and storage with LED lamps that have shelves. They not only light up your room but also give your space for your stuff. Turn your lighting into art with LED lamps, sculptures. This unique design can make your room look special. Get down to work with adjustable LED torches lamps. They light up your room in a way that's great for tasks like working or crafting. Light up your room for tasks with LED floor lamps. They give you the light you need for things like reading, working, or hobbies. So there you have it. Decorate with LED floor lamps. These ideas can help you use LED floor lamps to light up your place and make it look great. If you like these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more decor tips